it FM for my safety. But I watch out for niggas who hate. They just want the information. Wanna know my situation.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Asia, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. Today we're unboxing this wig from Vshow hair. Okay, so I ordered this wig on November 5th. Today is November 10th, so it took 5 days to get here, and the shipping is 3 to 7 days, so they have a pretty good shipping time. Now the price of this wig was $271.79. I got the 24 inch. That's how much the 24 inch costs. But I used a discount code because I watch YouTube videos and I always check the description box to see if they have a discount code. So that discount code got me $10 off. So the price of the 24 inch was $261.79. Okay, now let's get into this wig. Okay, here's the box that it came in. Pretty simple box, you know. Got their social medias on the back. So I opened it already because I like to check. I like to see what's going on. I be impatient, Okay, so this is what came in the box. Just a good cap, you know, 2 pieces, the new cap. I'll use those. And this is the wig, and I already looked at it and stuff, so don't mind it, and don't mind me, don't mind my hair either. So this is a 24 inch, as I said once before. A box falling out everywhere. Ooh, scares me. Loose deep wave texture. It's 150% density, and the texture is Brazilian. Let's take these out. Whew, y'all, and let me tell y'all, these curls like bounce. See, like, let me try to put this in slow motion or something. Like, look at this, man. Like, look at the ends. Like no, it's the ends for me. Like, so curly and full, like, and not thin at the bottom. Like, I love that. Like, let's get into the lace. You see that pre-plug? They said it came pre-plug. Of course, I'm gonna go back and plug and bleach the knots, all that. But yes, look at this lace, transparent lace. Transparent lace, yes, they said transparent lace, pre-plug. Look at those knots. Look at that. And just look at the curls overall. Look at the inside of that, you know, it's a 13 by 4. Comes with 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and 1 in the front. And you know, you have this little piece of lace in the back. You know, you can always just cut that off. And the hair smells like it's new, like it was just made in the factory. You know, that factory smell. You can just wash it and, you know, get that smell away when you wash it. There's nothing wrong with it. It doesn't smell bad. Like, just like, I can't wear this. It doesn't smell bad at all. But like, y'all, I'm just so in love, like, with these curls. It's giving me wand curl texture, like how wand curls look like. Look at it. I don't even want to mess it up, but I know it's gonna turn like to that loose wave texture when you wash the wig. So yeah, so I think this is how I'm gonna style it in this wand curl type of look, because I'm just loving these. Like, it's so bouncy, like, and full. Like, this is 150% density. Like, look at it. It's not even thin to me, because I like my wigs more like in between, like 180 150, because I think my head is small. Like, I think my head is small. This is 150. I like 150 on me because I think my head is small, and like all the hair on a smaller head. Please, honey. But y'all, look. Oh, like, you can't tell me, like, you can't tell me this making you not want to buy the wig. Like, look at the curls. Like, the curls just bring you into buying the wig. Like, look at it. Like, Vshow hair really did their thing with this loose deep wave, and this is my first time trying this texture, so I'm trying to see what it's gonna look like. I am gonna see how it looks wet, but I know for sure that I'm gonna put wand curls up in it. But I am gonna show how it looks wet too once I install it and customizing it, all that. But this is my first initial thoughts on the wig, because I'm gonna come back, you know, like a month later, 3 months later, and keep you guys updated on how the wig is holding up, because I feel that's what most people fail to do, is they fail to update you on how the hair is. They just install it one time and be like, oh, it's so soft. I had no problem, no shedding. Oh, that just remind me. Shedding. Let's see if we get some shedding. Just one little strand, one strand two. This is normal with like curly hair, but yeah, they don't tell you like if they get like they be like, oh, it's no shedding, no problem, da 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 this, but they only wear it like 1 or 2 days or so, and I just want to come back and update. Like, I don't want to give any like false reviews or anything like that, but the hair is bomb. Like, looking at it, it looks like it's gonna turn out bomb. Like, look at the lace, look at it, like transparent, those curls. Like, overall, like my first initial thought, like, I love this wig already. I haven't even put it on yet, but we will see. I'm trying to see how this hair is gonna hold up, because if it holds out really good, then of course I'm gonna purchase again. You know, I'm gonna have to double back if the hair is great. Like, but yes, this is my first initial thoughts on this wig. I think I answered everything. I talked about shipping, the price, told you everything about the hair. Let me tell you once again, so I'm gonna ask, it's transparent lace. Look at the knots. It said pre-pluck, but I'm gonna go in and pluck again. Bleach knots. 24 inches. Loose deep wave. And once again, y'all, just look. Get into the curls. Like, just get into the curls. Like, get into the curls. Like, that's the best part about this. Like, but I hate that when I wash it, it's gonna go away. Like, I already know it's gonna turn to like a looser wave. And that's the whole purpose of this, just a loose deep wave. But we shall see. And that's all I'm gonna talk about in this video. I ask that you like, comment, and subscribe. And please comment on what you would like to see on this channel, y'all. It's my first video. Like, I want to know what y'all want to see on my channel. Like, it could be anything. I'm gonna do it. Thank you, guys.